Hey, this is Dee from the future. You're gonna meet me at the end of this video, and this is the look we are gonna opt for today. And I hope, like, if you are looking for a video that's gonna show you how to do everyday simple makeup, then stay tuned and watch till the end to see how I did this look. This is totally natural, and no one's gonna be like, whoa, why is she wearing, bro, why she's wearing so much makeup. And even if someone says that, tell them it's none of their business. So anyways, so you're gonna meet this D at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And I have a question for you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned and make sure watching till the last of the video. So enough of chit chat, let's get to the enough of chit chat. Let's get to the real video.
Hey guys, welcome. And here's the deal. So I'm gonna be using the Lakme 925 CC cream. You can use anything else, but I believe CC cream is the best because it gives you full coverage and it has everything in it. So let's get starting. But first of all, I'm gonna tie my hair because I've seen so many people doing makeup without tying their hair. I don't understand how. Isn't it uncomfortable? Not dissing anyone, but still, I feel very uncomfortable while doing makeup while my hair is still untied. So, hair on my face? No, that's not an option. So, let's start. I have cleaned my face, rather washed it thoroughly, and done my, prepped it. I have washed my skin with this Inveda D-Tan scrub, which is very good. I'd say very good. This thing is it's very good, and this is the Votre. So that was a face mask. So now let's get going. So this is the Lakme 95 CC cream, which I'll be using. You can use anything else. I'll be using my fingers. You can use a BB beauty blender or anything you like. So I'll be taking a little bit on my finger, just a little bit. You don't need a huge amount. A little goes a long way. So I'll be taking a little bit like this, and then I'll be applying it in dots all over my face. Just wait till you see it. Let me open my mirror, and it's so dirty, damn. Okay, so I'll be applying it in dots, as I said, like that. It's easier to apply like that. So I'll be keeping this mirror over here so that I can see the mirror, do my makeup, and still interact with you guys, engage with you guys. So I'll be using my fingers to blend it in. And most of all, don't forget your neck. Neck is a very important part, otherwise we'll look like a mixture. So almost there and done. So I'm done with my base. So let's see, trying to make cute faces. Anyway, so the next thing. Okay. So here's the next thing. We are gonna use the L'Oreal. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Matte Magique. This is a powder, pressed powder, which I like to use, and comes with a mirror. It's very handy. And I'm using my fluffy brush. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. I've hit the pan already. So I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be just dabbing it in the places where it becomes most oily. So I'll be doing that just in the places where I feel like it gets very oily. It tends to get very oily, and also my neck. So the lighting is kind of bad right now because the bulb I use for this room is not working. But anyways, so there's the mirror, and there's another mirror I'm using. So, oh, one more thing I forgot. Yeah, I remember now. These two, the Lakme and the L'Oreal Matte Magique, these two are dynamic duo. You'll never see another duo like this. So okay, let's get going. I'm literally getting very tired right now. So still I'm very happy. So next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. So for the brow I'm gonna be using this Bella Voste, like I had this. This is a spoolie, and this is the like this is my eyebrow pencil. This is the Rimmel eyebrow pencil. So I'll be using the spoolie first to like comb my eyebrow hairs a little, and then I'll be using the Rimmel one. You can use any kind of spoolie. You can use like this spoolie that comes with it, but it is very harsh, so I prefer the other one. So I'll be filling in my brows with this brow liner. This is from Rimmel London. You can see the difference, right? I like bushy brows, so I don't trim them very often. I like bushy. I like my I like to keep my brows very bushy and like messed up a little bit. I like it that way, personal preferences. So I'm gonna be filling in my brows. I'm filling it very naturally. Like it looks like I've not done anything, but still, if you look closely, you'll see that my brows are filled in. There are some sparse spaces in my sparse areas in my brows that I have filled in. Like, see, you see what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so let's get going. So I'm gonna brush it again once more. I'm gonna comb through. Yay! We are done! Yay! Okay. I look so ugly right now. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna jump to our eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the LA Colors Sweet Candy eyeshadow palette. This is Sweet as Candy eyeshadow palette, and for this I'm gonna be using two colors. So for the first color, I'll be using that pink shade. That one, yep, that pink shade. And for the second color, I'll be using the rose gold shade. Yes, honey, yes, that shade. So let's get started. So I've taken the first shade and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. To be honest, I'm not doing, like very precise eyeshadow, just a normal natural one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm gonna take the other color and do it the same thing that I did with this previous color. I'm gonna do it like, yep, that's what I'm gonna do it. So it would look very natural. Wait till you see the end result. See, it looks so natural, yet when you click selfies or pictures, it would come out so vibrant. Like it would look pretty, natural and pretty. So I'm going to be applying the second color. The rose gold one which I showed you. It's not perfectly rose gold, rather it's a little darker than the rose gold. And this is all natural lighting. I'm not using any artificial lights in my room right now. Anyways, so there. On this eye, a little bit touch up, and we are kind of good to go. Like, see, I told you, it looks so natural. Okay. At this point, after that, my camera stopped working. Don't know why, it just stopped working. So anyways, let's get going. So I was doing like the under eye eyeshadow lining. So I'll be taking the same second shadow that I applied on my lid and apply it on my lash line. And I like a little bit applying it on my under eye bag. So I'll be doing that. So I'm using this flat tapered brush. Okay, so the next thing, like the eyeshadow part is done. We are done with the eyeshadow. So the next thing I'm going to do is curl my lashes. We are not using any fake lashes in this video because we need to keep it natural, honey. So we are going to be using this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Can you see it makes instantly a difference? It instantly makes a difference. I'm going to be doing the same to the second eye as well. And almost done, and we're done. So I'll be applying mascara. So can you see my lashes? They look so pretty. Oh my god. So I'll be applying mascara. So this is the Wet n Wild. I'm so sorry. This is the Essence mascara. I'm totally in love with it. It's a holy grail of mine. I used to use the Wet n Wild. That's why I said its name. But now I use this Essence one. So I'll be applying this all over my lashes, and look how it instantly lifts off your lashes, gives them a darker look, and makes them look so much more pretty. Like seriously. Okay, I'll be doing the same thing on the second eye. I have so many insecurities about like my lashes, but this helps me to cover those insecurities. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, so you can try this out. Like it is very good for anyone. Like this mascara can be used by anyone and everyone. Pretty much everyone. I'm so sorry, I'm feeling so sleepy right now. Still. So I'm done with my mascara, and you can see how pretty it looks, how natural it looks. So for the highlighter part, I'm using this love. This is my love. This is my love. This is the bronze and shimmer from I Heart Makeup, and I literally love this shade. This one. This shade is my favorite. So I'll be using this shade and applying this all over my cheekbones. Can you see that glow? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, ugly angle. Can you see that glow? A little streak of that. And there. Okay, that glow is real, honey. That glow is real. Can you see it? I guess you can. So I'll be applying it on my nose like that, on the bridge of my nose, on my nose tip. Almost done. And a little bit on my cupid's bow. Cupid's bow. And we are done with the highlighter. Oh, one thing I forgot. Now I'll be doing the inner corner highlighter. So for the inner corner highlighter, I'll take the same shade and a thin brush and be applying to the inner corners of my eye. And also after that, I'll be applying it to the brow bone as well, because you cannot forget the brow bone. That's important, honey. That is so much important. So I'll be applying it to the brow bone like that. It's a little bit fall out, but I'll clean it, and there, almost done. So I'll be doing the same on the other eye. This is basically the makeup that I do for while I'm doing musicals and everything. So it looks pretty natural and it feels natural. I mean, you can't feel anything like you're wearing a makeup or anything heavy on your face, you cannot feel something like that. So the next thing I'm going to use is this lipstick. This is my holy grail. Oh my god, this is a Maybelline lipstick in the shade, this is a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Lively Violet. This is so pretty, nude pinkish color. This is like literally my holy grail. Like I cannot imagine any nude lipstick without this one. Like this is god. So you'll see in a short time. Like let me apply it. I'm sorry for making these weird faces while applying lipstick, but I am weird. What can I do about that? I hope you like me being weird and join my weird Dearlings squad, maybe. And you never know, you can subscribe, right? It's free. This outfit, let me go and change this outfit for you guys. So here we go. Ready for the reveal? This is the outfit. Here you guys go. This is my outfit that goes perfectly with this makeup. Like this is the bomber jacket and there's the makeup for you guys. Hey guys, so that was the video for you guys. So this is my first video. I hope you like it and kindly comment on what should I do next. Like should I make should I do storytelling videos? I like writing little novels and stories, so should I do that? Should I read it out to you guys, or should I do another makeup video, like this time, the next time a little heavier makeup? Or just write it in the comment section, like should I do a storytelling video or should I do heavy makeup video? So answer this question in the comment section below, and I hope you like this video. Kindly, if you like it, kindly join my Dearlings squad and kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. Even not share, kindly subscribe and like my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment about how this video is. Your comments will let me know that how much I need to improve myself. So, and this channel is for all those people who like to spread self-love and self-care, and who knows that what beauty is actually what lies within us. So thank you for being with me till now, watching this video, and see you in the next time. Every video is coming out every Wednesday. Thank you. Bye.